Hi, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. Let's do the ab series. It's 5 exercises. We've just done rolling like a ball. In this position, taking your left hand underneath your right knee, right hand stays by that shin, by that ankle, and slowly articulate all the way down just to your shoulder blades. Take that left leg out for a single leg stretch. We pull in, we exhale, inhale, we switch. Exhale, pull in. Inhale, we switch. So inhale as you switch and exhale, pull in. Now let's speed that up. Inhale for 2 and exhale for 2. Inhale for 2 and exhale for 2. Keep going. You're looking into your abs. You're pulling your abs in and up and you're stretching those legs out long. They're hugging the midline. They're pressing, brushing past each other. One more each side. And then hug everything in, going straight into double leg stretch. We go long with our legs and long with our arms, and we circle around and hug in. We inhale long and we exhale strong. Inhale long, exhale strong. Keep going. You're looking into those abs, pulling those abs in and up, and the legs are pressing together, pressing into that midline. Got 3 more. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale long, exhale last one, and hug in. Take the head and shoulders onto the mat for scissors. For scissors, take your legs up to 90, lift head and shoulders up off the mat, left leg at a high diagonal, right hands can be behind the thigh or up to the ankle. We pull for 2. It's a pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Those legs are brushing. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Keep going. Are you looking into your abs? Are you pulling your abs in and up? The legs are brushing by. Keep breathing. The shoulders drawing down away from the ears. 2. Last one. Hug those knees in. Head and shoulders down. Moving on to lower lift. Diamond shape those fingers underneath the sacrum or tailbone. Wiggling those fingers. Lifting the head and shoulders up off the mat for lower lift. Legs goes up to 90. Toes in a Pilates stance, heels together, legs together. We go out for 3, 2, 1 and pull in. 3, 2, 1. We go out and pull in one movement. 3, 2, 1 and pull in. Keep going. You're looking into your abs and you guessed it, you're pulling your abs in and up as you go out, but you're also pulling them in and up to help guide that leg in just to that 90s. Keep breathing and make sure the shoulders are away from the ears. Last one, and pulling in. Hug those knees in, taking the hands, stacking the fingers over fingers for crisscross behind the nape of your neck or base of your skull. Legs to tabletop. Lift the head and shoulders up off the mat. Twist to the right. Left leg goes up to a high diagonal. Armpit towards knee. And then come back to center, not lowering all the way down. We twist around to the left. Armpit towards knees, twisting up. It's for a 4 count. 3, 2, 1. Up for 1. 3, 2, 1. Up for 1. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Armpit towards knees. You're always looking into your abs. It's the abs that are pulling up and in. They're helping you move around. And they're helping those legs go long. Keeping that control. Let's do 2 more each side. The legs brush the midline as you twist. Last one on the right. Armpit to knee. Armpit towards the knees to the left. Hug the legs in. Take your hands underneath knee creases. Rock on up. And that was the ab series. Thanks for joining me.